Good afternoon. This is Germaine from Germaine's Journey. I'd like to show you what I made yesterday, a little bit tonight and today. I love these ladies of the printable kit Lady of the House by RubyAndPearlxo. I will tag her below in the description box of this video. And I had this idea, which I saw in a video of Odulcina scrap Anne, of making a small journal out of a paper bag. So I decided to give it my own go, and that resulted in 4 journals and pouches. So it's made of a paper bag on which I printed an old vintage scene from a paper, and I used those ladies, some embellishments of GermainesJourneyShop. It's all vintage, and used sari silk to make the closure and bind in the signature. So this is the entire journal, and in the front is a pouch, and the pouch contains an envelope made of vintage music paper. I embellished it with a vintage fringe trim, and I also made an old menu, and I printed that out on really thin paper. It makes this lovely sound, and folded it like they did in the old days. And now it really looks a bit vintage. At least it's the vintage style. So it goes in this front pocket. That's actually the only pocket there is, because I decided, since I was working with all these neutral tones, which I really, really love, to not add any other color and leave the inside quite blank as well, so that you can add your own touch to it and your own colors if you like. It's all paper, which is either vintage or tea coffee dyed by me. This is an old book my father used to use. He was a math teacher. This is also tea dyed. I made these flaps, and you can fold them either way if you like. I didn't glue them, so I leave it up to you, whatever you like to do with it. This is old ledger paper, a paper doily, paper bag, old music paper again. I folded it. I didn't glue it, so you can do with it what you like. I love this paper. This is vellum paper from old photo books, and I had to take them apart, and I was left with this, and I kept it, and it really is so nice. Small paper, and then this is the middle where you can see the sari silk, which attaches it, and then here's the rest of the papers. In total it's 10 papers like this, so that makes like 20 pages and 40 sides to embellish or write on. This is the doily again, the ledger paper. There is no pocket in the back, but I put baking paper in there. I folded it and I crumpled it so it's fluffy, and it makes this really nice sound. I love it. So this is the journal. I like to make the closure a little bit at the front, but you can put it at the side as well, whatever you like. And I have to point out these really gorgeous embellishments from GermainesJourneyShop. These are little flowers, and this dangly thingy is from them as well. This is a little bit of sari silk. And I made a bag which you can put the journal in, and it matches the cover. And here I also used vintage papers. It's a glassine bag which I coffee dyed. And this is the same lady, as you can see. All papers. I made this ruffle, which is made from tissue paper, which the sari silks were wrapped in upon arrival. And some cloth, and I love this. This is real vintage crafty me ribbon. Crochet, really. It's really lovely. Look at this. So this goes in here. And like I said, I made 4 of them. This is number 2. Number 3, I really love this lady as well. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh yeah, this ribbon, I didn't buy it like this. I actually made it myself, putting several together. And then I put it all on a roll, and then I can use it whenever I like. This is left from the applique I used to make the embellishments on the front with. This is the crochet part. And this is the ribbon, which actually original, it's white, but I tea dyed it this morning and it could dry in the sun and it's almost pinkish. I really like it. And this is the 4th journal, and like I said, they're all the same. Okay, I hope you like them. I spent my start of the weekend well. I like what came out of it. And I will put them in my shop. Maybe I will keep one for keepsakes. Hang on for a bit. I don't know yet. And maybe I'll see you there. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.